One of the question that I got from my friend is using the technique of Samundar Manthan. And what he said that I put it a fear, as you said, a thought, and I did a Manthan in that, and it was very good. But there was nothing like gandgi or dirtiness, as you were saying, ki ganda nikalta hai. So I did it for some time and then I stopped. So the thing is that when I said the dirtiness or a gandgi, it was just to explain that is a bitter emotions. What is bad and what is good is just a matter of your pleasure and pain. Anything that gives bad sensation to the our five senses is bad, and anything that gives them happiness is a pleasure. So rather than putting pain or pleasure for the technique of Samundar Manthan, it is better to exactly go with what exactly is a fair. So choose one thing, that emotion, that what is raising that emotion. So let's say it might be a loss of some close person, might be just a thought of losing a father, or thought of losing a mother, or thought of losing a partner or the loved one. That gives fear. And now that is disturbing you. You're more moving into the state of panic that just thinking about it is giving you fits, making you a imbalance. What is a fit? Where your senses, they just move off. You don't think rationally. You are just off your guards. There's a fear. Now, why there is a fear? Now comes the losing or the loved one gets off or he's not with me. I say, okay, so you have to put that thing. Now see why that loved one is with you. What happens when he goes? So when he's giving you all the shelter, all the happiness, all the love, all whatever you need, is giving you a pleasure. His going is making you go off all these things, is a pain, negative. So you put there a person or that relation. Ultimately, you see all the people, putting people, starting it's perfectly fine. As I always say, always deal with the situation that is currently that is giving you a problem rather than moving into the wide range. But in reality, from that movement, from that one particular problem, we always move out, moving into the wide, and at last moving into the pleasure and pain, at last to the nothingness. So when you're putting an emotion, first of all, on what that emotion is coming, put that. What all good things or things you are getting and what all things you will not get, put that. And then think about that that person has also had the same relationship with somebody else. My father had his father, he had his father. They all came, they all went. We can miss them. But at last, it's a journey. That is the thing. Do whatever you can do now to make other person happy if you want. But thinking about the person leaving you or going, fear of tomorrow should make you strong. It just simply says that you see the time in this duality, in this physical world is limited. So what gives happiness to the other person? That also gives me the freedom. Focus to that and do your best what you can do now with all your love and caring. This now can be infinity. This now can be infinite. And know when somebody goes, you will be going after some time. And what holds there? That can be a wonderland, anything. Just be happy. And if you care somebody, just keep it up. Keep yourself healthy and happy, and then you can be help to everyone. Everyone, whosoever has come, will go. We can't deny that, but we can move beyond that. Thank you. I hope you will try to see the things this way and do the technique and share your experience. Thank you very much.